So here we are with the Mechanism MagSafe phone mount for the Xbox Series XS wireless controller. Now I'm very excited about this unit. I've tried quite a few wireless Bluetooth controllers for Android for some time if you've been following the channel, and I liked most of them, but I haven't actually fallen in love. But I'm very excited about this unit because it's angle adjustable, but also MagSafe, and that allows you to quickly dock and undock your device hassle-free. Now, there are going to be a few things you're going to need to make your Z Fold 6 work with the Mechanism MagSafe phone mount. First, we have the MagSafe case that I'm using. Now, this is a unit by YQODSZ. Now, very important note, everything that we review on this channel, it's very intentional. The mission is to find the best accessories the first time around. This way we're not wasting money and we're not buying things that we just don't like. That being said, you can find the YQODSZ MagSafe case as well as Xbox controllers and the Mechanism MagSafe phone mount at the Amazon storefront by either scanning the QR code in this content or clicking on the link in the description or pinned comment below. So there's a lot going on here, so let's go ahead and get into it. Now, originally I wasn't going to do an unboxing because, honestly speaking, I thought that the packaging would be very simple here. I've got other phone mounts before and there wasn't anything eventful going on, but this is different. This is actually unique, so that's why I'm covering it. So presentation is going to be fairly clean here. We have a brown corrugated box, and on the lid we are greeted with Mechanism, click, go, play, craft your perfect gaming setup, getmechanism.com. And I think this is spot on. They got it perfect because, in my opinion, this setup that you're going to see in this content is the perfect gaming setup. So opening the lid reveals a QR code as well as a product link for assembly instructions. Now, this kit is so easy to assemble, you probably won't need them, but it's there if you're interested. Included in the packaging is an orange card with click, go, play, and Mechanism branding. If we flip over, it lets us know this is a small company based in Portland, Oregon, and this is a great reason to support the company. Buy their product. I like helping small companies. I think that's really cool. So this kit is going to have DIY project vibes. Again, we have this brown corrugated box, but then we have all our parts that are labeled in opaque Ziploc bags. And again, I just like the vibe here. I like the feeling. It's just, again, it gives you that project-like vibe. So you're going to get the phone mount, you're going to get the Xbox controller grip, and the universal grip, which allows you to use the phone mount as just a phone mount if you would like. And within this phone mount Ziploc bag, we're also going to have an included MagSafe ring if your phone or your case doesn't have that built in. So starting with assembly, you want to remove the rear battery cover from your Xbox controller and install the unit from the Mechanism kit. Then we could take the phone mount portion and connect it to the Mechanism battery cover. It is spring-loaded, which is neat and features a lock-in tab. Again, we also have adjustable angles for the phone mount itself to get the viewing angle you desire. We can then take the Z Fold 6 and connect it with minimal effort. The magnetism is very strong here and holds the Z Fold 6 with no issue, which is the ultimate test considering the Z Fold 6 is one of the largest and heaviest smartphones you can purchase, but is perfect for gaming. A highlight of this phone mount is you can also use the Z Fold 6 either closed or open, and when it is open you can use the Z Fold 6 in flex mode. You can also rotate the device, and you're not going to have this option, or it's going to be very limited with clamp mounts. As for gaming, it's been a fantastic experience. I played several games with this setup with pleasure and it's worked very well. So I'm thoroughly enjoying the Mechanism MagSafe phone mount with the Z Fold 6. Now, this phone mount should work with other devices that have MagSafe incorporated onto them or in them, but I say the Z Fold 6 specifically because I've tried other controllers and other mounts and they all were limited in some way. But with this one, we can use the Z Fold 6 closed or open or with flex mode, and we can even rotate on the MagSafe ring, and this is just very versatile. I also like how it clamps to our Xbox controller. It has an actual bracket for it, so it actually doesn't clamp. And that's good because it won't scratch up your Xbox controller if you have something really nice or limited edition. So all things being said, this kit is almost perfect. So if it's almost perfect, what's the issue? Now, I think this is related possibly to the Z Fold 6 because it's thicker and it's heavier and it's larger. And as you can see, I've been holding it the whole time. If I let go, it just kind of tips over here. It doesn't sit upright. Now, if we do remove our phone here, I'm going to close here and I'm going to remove just like so. This kit does sit upright without the Z Fold 6. So I'd be interested to know if you are using a different device, if this issue doesn't happen with other devices, say an iPhone or another Samsung device that is just a traditional smartphone. So we're going to release the lock here. And this is spring loaded again, so we can just quickly remove that. Now, I wouldn't remove the battery door adapter because there really isn't a point to unless you really wanted to. It doesn't really cause any interference or anything like that, so I leave that on. So that's another reason I like this kit. Quick assembly and quick disassembly, and again, you're not going to damage your Xbox controller or even your phone because we don't have a clamp for the phone. It's just MagSafe. And again, quick docking and undocking. And to wrap things up, if you're looking for a storage solution for the mechanism mount, I've also included GL-Con cases in a variety of colors on the Amazon Z Fold 6 idea list. So what's the verdict? I'm overall happy with this kit and I'm ready to get some more gaming done, so we need to wrap up this video. So as always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon, check in out.